The Kodiak Konform is a rechargeable pocket flashlight for professional or personal use. Let's take a closer look. The package includes the flashlight and a USB-C charging cable. You should always give rechargeable products a full charge before first use. The Konform may be charged from any USB power source, including power banks, computers, or wall chargers. Pull back the rubber port cover and insert the USB-C plug. A red flashing power button indicates charging is in progress. Solid green means charging is complete. A full charge of the 10850 750 mAh lithium-ion battery takes up to 3 hours. To access the battery compartment to replace the rechargeable battery, unscrew the base. You may also power the Konform with 2 AAA alkaline or 2 AAA rechargeable batteries. Insert them positive end first, but be aware they do not charge inside the flashlight. Powering the light with conventional or rechargeable AAA batteries reduces the brightness levels and run times substantially. The flashlight is made of aerospace-grade aluminum and measures 6.75 inches in length by 0.5 inches in diameter. It weighs in at 2.6 ounces. 3 brightness modes are available from a single power switch. High is 500 lumens with a 1.25-hour runtime and 89-meter light throw. Medium is 150 lumens with a 4-hour runtime and 49-meter light throw. Low is 20 lumens with an 11-hour runtime and 18-meter light throw. The Konform features a 90-degree swivel head, as well as a strong integrated magnet, plus a metal clip that accommodates thick clothing. It's drop tested to 1 meter. The size and versatility of the Kodiak Konform makes it a perfect inspection light and compact utility flashlight.